The account executive SMB position is with Comply, and it's with this established organization with 7,000 clients globally. It's recognized by Inc. 5000 as well as other asset management and private equity awards organizations. And I like this opportunity because it's for folks that have a little bit of experience in sales. So they're asking for 2 years of sales experience, ideally in financial services, SaaS, or fintech, but this isn't required. You could also come from a sales development position as a sales development representative or a business development representative, which is customary before moving into an account executive position role. And they're looking for, in terms of your day to day responsibilities, managing the sales cycle from beginning to end, leading demos, maintaining your pipeline and reporting on that, and utilizing your creativity to build relationships and close business, attending various sales events, including meetings, seminars, and training, and of course, experience with outreach and Salesforce CRM because that's the tools that you'll be conducting your activities out of daily. And the role is paying 50 to 55,000 a year. That does not include commissions. So sounds like there's a lot of opportunity for growth. They have their EOE statement here, so we love to see that. And a lot of great benefits, including comprehensive medical, dental, and vision insurance at little to no cost starting day one, a 401k with a company match, unlimited PTO, and other benefits here. So be on the lookout for that link and apply today.